Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do cinematic photo editing using Lightroom mobile app for your Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed this Lightroom application on your mobile phone. And then I'm going to open the Lightroom, and then you can choose a photo that you want to edit using Lightroom. And for example, I'm going to choose this photo guys, and I'm going to make this photo looks more cinematic for my Instagram post. Okay, and if you want to make it more cinematic, we can go to the adjustment. I'm going to go to the edit, and then I'm going to adjust the lightness, and I'm going to decrease the exposure, and for the contrast I'm going to increase it. Okay, you can adjust it according to your needs, and I'm going to increase the black color. Okay, and then you can go to the curve and adjust the color with this curve. For example, I'm going to make it twilight color, so I'm going to increase the red color like this, and also the blue color. Okay, I don't want to adjust the green color because there is no green color here and I don't need it. So I'm just gonna adjust this blue and red color. Okay, done. And I'm going to click on done. And then guys, I'm going to go to the color wheel. I'm going to go to the color, and I'm going to select color grading. And again, I'm going to adjust the red and also the purple color. Okay, you can play around with the color right here. Okay, I think it looks good. And this one as well. Okay, and yeah, it looks better than before, right? Okay, and I'm going to add the blue color. Okay, good. And once you're done, you can click on done, and this is the result. Okay, you can also make it sharper like this. Okay, and then if you want to download it, you can click on this icon and then click on save copy to device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to do cinematic photo editing with Lightroom for Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.